If you're looking to start a YouTube automation channel in 2024, then this video is perfect for you because I'm about to share a long-form niche that could earn you around $12 CPM for 1,000 views on YouTube. Moreover, there's a great potential for brand promotions and affiliate marketing earnings, which significantly doubles your earnings on every month. Creating content in this niche is quite simple. Even if you have 2 hours a day, you can easily work in this niche because our AI will handle 50% of the work from scripting to voiceover, and the remaining 50% work will have to be done by yourself, in which editing and creating thumbnails will be required. So before starting the video, let's watch this video, which I prepared for a sample video.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to your channel, Personal Finance. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone: personal finance tips for beginners. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to take control of your finances, this video will cover essential tips to help you manage your money effectively. Let's start with the foundation of financial stability: budgeting. A budget isn't just about restricting spending. It's a powerful tool to ensure your money is working for you.
For generate the finance video script, I'll come to the ChatGPT. Here, I'll give it this prompt. Give me some ideas of my YT video related to finance niche. Then, after generating it, ChatGPT will provide me with some topics that I can use in my video. If you want, you can also write here, give me more topics, then ChatGPT give you more topic, but I will select a personal finance-related topic here. I will paste it into ChatGPT and write it here. Give me the script of this topic. ChatGPT will give me a perfect script, which I just need to edit slightly. For that, you can paste your script into your Notepad or Google Docs, then delete the things I'm telling you to from these, which include host, transition, titles, and where it says welcome to your channel. Add your channel name from here after that. Along with this, our script is ready. Copy it and come to 11 Labs so that we can generate AI voiceover. Paste the copied script here and select a high-quality voice in the voice library that maintains your channel's branding. Now, go to Settings and select 11v2. Keep the settings the way I have kept it and generate it. I'll tell you 2 methods for finance background videos. First, you have to come to ChatGPT by copying your script and paste it here, or give it as a prompt to generate some image prompts according to your script. Then, as soon as you generate from ChatGPT, it will give you many prompts according to your script. Simply copy your first prompt and go to this website named Ideogram. Basically, from here we generate AI-generated images that make our video very engaging. Paste the prompt here, turn on 16.9 or magic prompt, and generate it. In 30 seconds, you will get images. Similarly, you have to keep generating all AI images one by copying and pasting each prompt here, because this way we make our finance video quite engaging. Now, the second method is to come here to Pixels and search for videos related to money, which are completely copyright-free, so you don't get any copyright claim or strike. You can also download videos or images from here, but your final step is to come to CapCut for editing, where you import all the generated images or videos downloaded here into the timeline. Then add the voiceover you generated to the timeline as well. I want you to edit the voiceover empty space the way I have edited it. In finance videos, the most important thing is captions. So first click on Auto Caption here and generate captions. Then go to Templates and add a suitable template. Once this is done, come to Transitions and use the transitions I am telling you about. You can use smoke, dissolve, black, or mix-in transitions in your video, and go to Effects to add any suitable effect for your video from here. Along with this, our final video is ready. And if you want more YouTube or TikTok courses like this, you can watch videos on my channel.